Alright, hello everybody, all my FPV people, friends that I've met in online. Today will be my first time to fly outdoor. I have been flying, I started January 2020, it's already October. I haven't flown outdoors. I have tried rooftop before, but I was flying in air mode, and the updraft did almost, I also almost lost my drone. If it wasn't for that gutter, that corner gutter saved my drone. There. Because there's no other open place that I can really do flying. If you guys can see from my hair, we do have some wind. I so don't want to lose any drone, but I will try to give this one a shot. Maybe hover first, then it's really a bit windy, and actually now I'm having second thoughts, but let me try to do a few hover, hopefully. Again, this is just 1S. If I do have to lose this one, the internal of this one has already been with me from quite some time. Actually, this frisky Crazy Bee is one of the flight controller that almost fried, but for some reason it did recover, so there was actually a time that I thought this was dead. For those who have been following my page, this camera, this AIO camera, is also the one that's no longer working. Like, I need to keep on pressing the VTX button just so it will refresh the channel. Yeah, so I just want to take a video of this one. We have the Stealth Hornet 1S 65mm prop. One of my if you guys also been following, I fly 2S now, but again, I just don't want to lose any of my 1103 motor. So again, just for this fun, I'm going with the 802s. These are 802s. Hopefully we can fly a bit and not lose this one. I do have a backup, just so you guys know. I have installed a GPS return home function manual for the 1S drone. For some of you who haven't heard of this one, I may be the first one who will be introducing it. Basically, it's very simple, very cheap, but it's patent pending. I do have this if lost, please help return toy, and I wrote my phone number there. This will be my, hopefully, a GPS return to home manual. May take days before it returns home mod. Patent pending, guys, patent pending. Anyways, I'll try to record what I can get, and hopefully not to lose the drone along the way.
One, two, three.
So this is after flight. I have to say it was, well, it's still fun, but yes, 1S. If you guys will see the video, there are a lot of turbulence. The jello that you'll see there are not the camera. Once that wind really hit, it really do cause a lot of turbulence, and I think you guys will be able to see a lot of updraft and downdraft from the winds, and you will see a lot of knee bendings. My knees are really, I don't know, shaky. I mean, even though it's just a 1S, I was really afraid of losing this one. But yes, for some reason, this manual GPS design kind of gave me the boost. So if you guys want to avail this one, again, this is patent pending. If you guys want to pre-order, just message me. It's a return to home GPS, easy to install, very easy to install. I'll include the tape. anyways, yeah, so pretty much okay, my knees are still shaky. I don't know what was the fun. Was it the flying or the fear of losing, or that every time that you guys see me kind of waving my hand, it's because I can feel the wind suddenly blowing in my face, so I'm sort of like disoriented on the wind direction for the drone. It's like if I can feel the wind on my left side, I guess my instincts are not yet correct. I'm feeling like it's also on the left side of the drone, so hence I was, I was a little bit sluggish, or I don't know what's the better word. The first one, if you guys, I flew with this 600 mAh, one of the heavy build attempt. I have to say I will try this one again. I had more weight. I might try to buy more heavier batteries for 1S as well. It was quite fun actually. Still fun. I will try to do it again, hopefully. I guess I can say that with this wind, I'll be able to fly a bit. I was not thrown off. So maybe if I go a little bit another floor higher, it seems okay. It seems okay. I was really hoping I can do a dive bomb here. That may be the first maneuver that I will practice, how to dive bomb here, just in case, for a fail-safe maneuver, that in case I would need to, abort the flight in case of a sudden strong winds. Other than that, yeah, it was really quite fun for me. It was fun. I can still feel the pain on my knees. Again, fear of losing or being blown away. Yeah, but pretty much that was still fun. I do now agree with the other member who advised me that 2S might be better. Okay, based on this winds, again, it's not super. The 1S was able to, you guys will see the video, was able to somehow fly here. Again, not so strong wind, just regularly breeze. Classify it as a breeze, electric fan, like that. Yeah. So anyways, yeah, thank you for those who helped, who advised, and hoping to fly again. I will try to order more of this bigger weighted, just for this 1S, so that at least if I can practice with this 1S, I'll have more guts. I mean, hopefully come the day that I might lose this, hopefully I'll be better somehow on flying outdoors. Yeah, but I really want to fly higher. Like, even just, if you guys can see the video, just maybe another 3 floors higher, then I can do a dive bomb. That would be real cool. Again, I have never flown outdoors yet. This is the first time. Thanks guys. Happy flying.